Fire bright, stomach louder. Gurucha here. Wrong. Sit, no blink. Wisdom run away fast like mammoth if you blink. Whoa. Picture big human cave called cafeteria. Metal trays crash. Soup steam rise like hot geyser. Hunters and gatherers wear business pelts, fancy suits, squeaky shoes. They hunt lunch with glowing rectangles in hand. But today something different. Yesterday lonely fruit bowl hide at back corner. Dust on apple skin, banana cry soft tears. Today fruit stand up front, right in path of hungry humans. Golden light shine down like sunbeam of Zeus. Candy bar still there, but pushed to dark shadow corner like guilty raccoon. What happened? Did humans suddenly love fruit more? Did mighty tribe elders shout, eat apple or face saber-tooth? No, one small movement. Bowl move from back to front. That all. Cornell wise elders. Humans call them food and brand lab. Watch numbers like hawk. They say fruit sale jump big. 20, 30, even 40%. Same apples, same bananas. Only new spot. Gurucha grunt, that not magic, that nudge. Tiny push, no shove. Environment whisper. Pick me, pick me. Brain listen without knowing. You think you control choice. Ha, brain say. I free like eagle. But truth, brain more like sleepy sloth. It take path of least fight. Apple in front, brain grab. Candy in back, brain forget. Me see you nod. You remember grocery trip, where cookie shelf eye level call your name. Same trap. Stay with Gurucha. This not just apple trick. This power shape everything. What you eat, how you save shiny coins, even who you vote for in big chief election. Small changes in cave layout decide big future. So next time you reach for snack, ask, did I choose apple or apple choose me? Now listen close, tribe. Little moves of stone can change river path. Same with human choices. You think only giant law from great chief in Washington move mountains? Bah, small nudge move whole canyon. Smart elders Richard Thaler and Cass Sunstein. Fancy name like thunder and moon. Right big scroll called nudge. They say humans live with two brains. Brain 1, quick like rabbit, love easy path. Brain 2, slow like old tortoise, need big fire to wake. Most days rabbit win. That white tiny push, a simple default. Steer mighty human herd, look at shiny 401k. When tribe leaders say, you join only if you tick box. Many humans too lazy to scratch tiny mark. Only 6 of 10 save for old age. But when paper already checked yes, enroll me. 9 of 10 stay in. No spear to back, no law to obey. This box already filled. Result? Humans retire with bigger meat stash and less worry when hair turn white. Life or death too. Places where you must tick box to not be organ donor. Guess what? Almost everyone stay donor. Austria, Spain. Even some US states see hearts and kidneys travel to save lives because default say yes. All from one silent nudge. Think of power bill. Some towns show smiley face on letter when you use less energy than neighbors. Just smiley, no tax. Humans hate shame, love approval. Energy use drop like rock. So what? Gurucha tell you what? If you ignore nudges, others design your hunt. Supermarket chiefs, app makers. Even Uncle Sam already shaping your day. From how much salt and soup to how big pile of debt you carry. If you sleep, they steer your canoe. Remember for a bowl? That harmless. But what if same quiet force guide what news you read? What vote you cast? How much coin you save for winter? Tiny shove today decide fat or hungry tomorrow. Stay near fire. Gurucha show where these sneaky hands hide in phone, in store, even in magic voting hut. Eyes open or you become mammoth, led by string. Tribe sharpen ears. You think nudge only live in cafeteria or money cave? Ha! Nudge hide in every shadow of modern world. Sneaky like fox at night. Look at glowing rectangle in your hand. Humans call it smartphone. But Gurucha say it's smart against you. Scroll forever. App chiefs make list never end. Little red dots, tiny berries of doom. Flash to make your hunter brain crave. Netflix. It whisper. Next episode starts in 3, 2, 1. Your eyes heavy, but finger not stop. That countdown is velvet rope around your willpower. Next hunt, grocery cave. Ever notice milk always hide in far corner of Walmart or Safeway? Store elders do this, so you walk past chips, cookies, shiny soda first. They not need spear. Your nose and eyes do job. Even path on floor. Wide for impulse shelves. Narrow for healthy greens. Gurucha watch many humans leave with cart full of sugar rock when they came only for milk. Think big chief election safe? Ask tribe of Florida year, 2000. Strange butterfly ballot confuse many hunters. Some mark wrong chief. Tiny design of paper may change leader of whole nation. One misaligned hole, history twist. And car road, ever drive through highway toll where green easy pass lane zoom, fast, while cash line crawl, humans quickly get pass. Government nudge you for efficiency, good maybe, but still a push. You see pattern, yes? Whoever design environment writes script of your day. Architects of choice hold invisible spear. They decide if you drink soda, binge show. Vote chief. You only think you choose. Wake up tribe. Gurucha not tell story to scare, but to show power. You fight with spear of awareness. Once you see nudge, it lose some magic. Like spotting hunter before arrow fly. Now we reach hot center of fire. Soon Gurucha teach how to carve your own path. Become architect of self. No more sleepwalk. You ready to nudge you? Enough hiding. Time for big fire lesson. You not powerless rabbit. You can build own choice cave. Gurucha show how to be architect of self. First, feed body with brain trick. Put sparkling water and fruit front row in ice cave. What you call fridge. Hide sugar drink in bottom swamp where light not reach. Humans always grab what I meet first. Move chips to top shelf where only ladder can reach. Gurucha do this. Now meet you carrot like proud mammoth hunter. Want morning run? Lay shoes and clothes next to bed like loyal dog. When dawn come, path already built. Rain follow without big fight. Next, shiny coin. Tell tribe chief at work. Put part of every paycheck in hidden cave. Call it 401k or savings account before it touch my hand. Make default automatic, never skip. Want more? Use smart trick called Save More Tomorrow. Every time New Year firework boom. Contribution rise 1%. Present you not feel pain. Future you dance around giant meat pile. Phone world full of sneaky hunters. Time to move rocks. Turn off autoplay on Netflix, YouTube. Hide social apps in boring folder named tax forms. Brain hate boring, wander away. Set screen to grayscale, colors die, urge fade. Gurucha promise, desires shrink like cold berry. Great thinker Daniel Kahneman, wise elder with kind eyes, say humans have two systems. System 1, fast like cheetah, lazy but strong. System 2, slow like ox, thoughtful but sleepy. Environment decide which wake first. By shaping cave, lighting, layout, defaults, you help slow ox lead, not jumpy cheetah. Want read more? Put book on pillow, so you must lift it before sleep. Want family dinner? Set table early so chairs call everyone. Want less plastic? Keep reusable bag by door like faithful wolf. You see, tribe, power not in giant leap, but in tiny stone you place today. Build cave that makes good path easy, bad path hard. Willpower weak like twig, environment strong like oak. Be your own cafeteria chief, your own architect. Before others nudge you, Fire low now. Sparks float like tiny stars. Gurucha sit quiet, watch tribe faces in warm light. We travel far tonight, from cafeteria fruit ambush to secret traps in glowing phone. You see with new eyes. Remember first story? Lonely apple moved in front of line, and whole tribe ate different. That tiny step was never about fruit. It was about power, the invisible kind. Every path you walk, grocery, office, screen, already carved by someone. Shelf builders, app coders, even road planners decide where your feet go, where your coins flow, where your heart beats faster. They not evil spirits, but if you sleepwalk, you follow their map, not yours. Now Gurucha hand you torch. Time for your map. Look around your own cave. kitchen counter. What greets your eyes first thing morning? Bag of chips or bright bowl of oranges? Phone, does it sing siren song of endless scroll or stay silent till you call? Wallet, does shiny coin run free or hide safe in savings cave? Pick one place, just one. Move single stone today. Tomorrow, watch whole river bend. Power of nudge, not dark magic. A gift of design. Small shift, giant future. You place shoes by door. You drink more water. You save more coin. You write story, not algorithm. You carve canyon with pebble. So when sun rise next hunt, remember, you are hunter and architect. World full of nudges, but the greatest builder of your fate is you. Move the fruit bowl of your life. Then tell tribe where you moved. Sharing comets, so whole village learn from each other. Gurucha read, brunt with pride. Fire fade, night whisper. Gurucha vanish now, but wisdom stay in your cave. Tomorrow, you nudge, you win.